Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Alberca De Nios is probably one of the most exciting purchases a parent can make for their children during the hot summer months, offering endless hours of fun, laughter, and refreshing relief right in their own backyard, transforming ordinary days into memorable aquatic adventures and creating a personal oasis for cooling off and imaginative play. Number 5. HTH 52023 Super Shock Treatment Pool Chlorine Cleaner. Introducing the HTH 52023 Super Shock Treatment. This powerful formula is designed to keep your swimming pool sparkling clean and clear. Enjoy a refreshing swim with confidence. This super shock treatment effectively cleans your pool using chlorine. It's the perfect solution for maintaining optimal water quality. Keep your pool ready for fun all season long. Get a convenient pack of 6 for extended use. This ensures you have enough on hand to tackle any pool maintenance needs. Stock up and save time. Please note, a newer model is now available. We recommend checking out the HTH 52036 Swimming Pool Care Shock Advanced. It offers enhanced features for even better pool care. Discover the latest in pool care technology with the advanced shock treatment. See below for details on the newer model. Make the switch for a superior swimming experience. What we like. If you're looking to quickly restore your pool sparkle, this is the shock treatment for you. It effectively kills algae and bacteria, bringing clarity back to your water in no time. Choose this if you need a fast and powerful solution to get your pool swim ready again. What people say. The pool is very easy to inflate and set up. It's a good size for toddlers and young children to play in. The material is durable and seems like it will last for a long time. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with this exciting splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little ones. Beat the heat with this inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun under the refreshing sprinklers, creating oceans of adventure. Keep your children cool and safe with this parent-approved outdoor toy. It's made with uncompromised quality and is free from BPA and phthalates for worry-free fun. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like. If you have toddlers and want to make water play educational and fun, this is the perfect choice. It combines a sprinkler, a shallow pool, and a learning mat to engage young minds. Consider this if you're looking for a safe, stimulating, and engaging way for your little ones to cool off. What people say. The pool is very easy to inflate and set up. It's a good size for toddlers and young children to splash around in. The material feels durable and holds air well. Number 3. Intex Kiddie Pool, Summer Sunset Glow. Introducing the Intex Kiddie Pool, perfect for your little ones to cool off this summer. It's designed for maximum fun and refreshment. This pool features a beautiful sunset glow design that kids will love. Its colorful rings add a fun visual element to playtime. Constructed from high-quality, durable vinyl, it's built to last through countless summer adventures. Safety and fun go hand in hand. With dimensions of 58 by 13 inches, there's plenty of space for kids to splash and play. The 13-inch walls provide a comfortable depth. Setting up this inflatable pool is a breeze, allowing for quick access to water fun. Get ready for a summer of joy and laughter. Make this summer unforgettable with the Intex Kiddie Pool. It's the ideal way for children to enjoy the warm weather. What we like. If you want a simple, visually appealing pool for kids to beat the heat, this is a great option. Its durable vinyl construction and 3 colorful rings make it a fun and sturdy choice for summer days. You should pick this if you're looking for an easy-to-set-up, classic kiddie pool with a touch of style. What people say. The pool is easy to inflate and deflate. It's a good size for toddlers and young children. The material is durable and holds up well to use. Number 2. Intex Deep Sea Blue 8-foot round SnapSet Pool. Beat the heat with this amazing inflatable pool. It sets up in minutes, giving your little ones fast and cool relief from the summer sun. Explore a world of underwater adventure with its vibrant 3D sea life graphics. Watch their imaginations soar as they swim and play with the fish. Crafted from durable plastic, this pool is designed to provide fun for your children season after season. It's a cost-effective way to enjoy summer entertainment. Forget the hassle of air pumps. This pool requires no inflation, so you can spend more time splashing and playing with your kids. Measuring 8 feet by 1.5 feet tall, it holds 539 gallons of water. This spacious pool is perfect for 4 to 7 people to enjoy together. Designed for children aged 3 and up, it's the ideal size for little ones to splash and play safely. What we like. If you're looking for a hassle-free and quick way to cool down your little ones, this is ideal. It sets up in minutes without any inflation and features a fun sea life design to spark imagination. Choose this if you want a durable, cost-effective pool that provides instant fun and relief from the summer sun. What people say. The pool is very easy to set up and take down. It's a good size for toddlers and young children to play in. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. Grip-A-Pool 3-in-1 Kiddie Pool. Introducing Grip-A-Pool, the innovative inflatable pool designed for confidence and security. It's a fun way for both kids and adults to enjoy water time safely. Featuring patent-pending side rail grip handles, it offers extra balance and stability. These handles also double as a kickboard for swim training and a flotation aid. Enjoy splashing with its inflatable, cushioned, textured soft bottom for ultimate comfort. It also provides an anti-slip surface for added safety. This pool comfortably fits up to 3 small kids for playtime. Adults can also use it as a shallow tanning pool for relaxing sunbathing. Setting up is a breeze with its high-end quick inflate-deflate valve, compatible with various pumps. It inflates in minutes, making it perfect for vacations. Help children overcome water fears and build confidence. It provides a sense of control, aiding in motor skill development, balance, and learning to swim. What we like. If you or your children need extra security and comfort in the water, this pool is designed for you. The built-in handles provide stability, and the soft floor ensures a comfortable experience, whether for play or adult tanning. You should consider this if you're looking for a versatile pool that builds water confidence and offers a relaxing space. What people say. It is a good size for toddlers and young children. The inflatable sides are soft and comfortable for little ones. Easy to set up and fill with water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.